Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have interesting news about a flaw in Windows that, sometimes Microsoft is quick to fix things, but sometimes it takes a lot of time and not always a good idea. Avast actually had told Microsoft 6 months before the patch Tuesday of February that a kernel flaw in Windows was exploited actively. And one of the groups that was actually exploiting it is a North Korean group. And so they told Microsoft 6 months before the fix was actually there. And even vast security researchers say that it was way too long for Microsoft to respond to this, as it was already exploited. It was a 0 day, and it should have been patched, in days or weeks of, the time that they told them. And so the Patch Tuesday update of February, when you go to your Windows updates, actually has fixed this flaw. But this is, the weird response sometimes of Microsoft to some of the external demands of some security researchers. Uh, you know, some days they'll do it real fast, and some days they'll take an enormous amount of time. I guess they were probably working on the fact that apart from Avast and them, and of course the North Korean group that was actively exploiting it, they figured that nobody else knew about the flaw. Yet, it is unacceptable that this took so much time. And and now it's fixed, and but it's apparently very, very active. And what it does is it gives kernel level access, which is the deepest access you can have, pretty much. And this means you can circumvent easily any security software. So you can do what you want without even the antivirus and seeing whatever happening on your system. And this, of course, also means you can just tweak the antivirus to not detect yourself if you have packages to download. So it was fixed in the Patch Tuesday updates of February for Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.